Hi friends, how are you all? In this video, I like to tell you the one of the some innovative thing, that means how can we present our resume in one page. So for that one, I have very good answer for it, and in this I like to use Beamer class, that means for the presentation. So and one more thing, that means actually LaTeX Beamer was already covered in our YouTube channel. So let me take some more innovative thing, one that is called Overleaf. Overleaf is the website to engage ourselves towards LaTeX without the software, without MikTeX software, without installing any software. With the using of internet, we can do our LaTeX programming. In this class, I will tell you how we can do these things. Okay, let's quickly go to Overleaf and let's start the thing. And moreover, if anyone is not subscribing my YouTube channel till now, please be subscribed so that we can have more number of videos in this same genre, maybe research, and even I will start electrical engineering also from power electronics. So let's go ahead. So please, let's proceed to Overleaf. Yeah, actually I have already a member in Overleaf, so you can also open a free account in Overleaf, or you can sign in with your Gmail account or Facebook account or Twitter account. Okay, any account you can go ahead, and after signing in, this is the thing. So here we need to start our new project. So please press this one, new project, and then blank project. So let me write the project name as one page resume, OPR. Great. Yes, now it will be open. Yeah, this is the advantage of Overleaf, because it will show you directly some of the contents like this, maybe title, author, date, and everything. Some parts have already been coming, but we want to improve the program more according to our wish. That can also be done. So let me go ahead with first Beamer class. As I told you, I want to make it as a presentation, and yes, the title should be one page resume, and the author is okay. And I want to make institute name also. Institute name is Jain deemed to be university, deemed to be university, Bangalore. Deemed to be university, Bangalore, and I am an associate professor in the School of Engineering and Technology in Kipli department. So let me write it, electrical and electronics engineering, Jain deemed to be university, Bangalore. Yes, now I want to compile. So please, for every time, please do recompile button. This is okay. So once this was completed, I want to improve this further. That means I want to use one pack. I want to use the proper theme. I have liked one of the themes, Ann Arbor. This theme is very nice, and I feel it comfortable with this. So yeah, this is the theme, one page resume, and I want to use one color theme also. So these things were available in Overleaf only, so you can please go and check them so that you can have better idea. There is a combination of some user themes and some color themes, and you can see which one you like. I like it, very much, so I am using these things. So beaver is my color theme, so I like this. That's all. Next, once this page is over, now I like to move to the second page, I mean second thing. So section is not required, so let me remove this section, and I want to make begin a frame, begin frame, and end frame. End frame will automatically come, so that's all. So begin frame, so here I need to add educational qualifications. So educational qualifications, and I want to add professional experience, and I want to add research experience, and I want to add professional memberships, professional memberships. So these are the things I like to add. So before adding these things, I want to make them as bullet points. That means how to do that. To make them bullet points, I need to use itemize command. So begin itemize, begin itemize, and end itemize. That's all. Now let me recompile this. Yeah, it has come like this, so I need to make it. So after that I need to write item also here, item. Yes, similarly here also item, and I need to close these things, so let me close them. Again recompile so that we will get this part. Yeah, these are the bullet points, but I want to make these things as enumerate, that means number parts. So enumerate, so I want to convert them into numbers. It's paste, paste. That's all. Recompile. Yes, I got numbers here. See, 1 2 3 4. So now I want to write some content in each and every part. That means within this one part I want to write. Again I want to start it with begin itemize. So begin itemize and end itemize. So in between these two I want to write my educational qualifications. So my first educational qualification is, I need to write this in obviously within the item. Yeah, so my educational background is BTech in Tripoli, and I have done this in Vitham College of Engineering, Visakhapatnam. That's all. So let me recompile this. Yeah, this is what my idea is, so that everything will come in this manner. So bracket is not necessary, sorry, this is not bracket, this has to be curl braces. Even without curl braces also it has come in this what we call as our, sorry, in our overleaf. Without curl braces also it has come. So let me see whether it's, is it required actually or not. I guess it's not required, so let's go ahead with this. This is the checking part, whether it is required or not. Yeah, fantastic, it's not required, basically it's not required. So let's go ahead with this. So that's all. In this way I need to present for each and everything. So let me show you the other parts also. Same thing, itemize, copy, and let me paste the same. Yes, my first appointment is at JNTU. So these are my work experiences, so professional experience. So if you see here, research experience and professional memberships may come completely downwards. So what we need to do means I want to shift to the right side. So how to do that? Let me do those parts. Actually I need to use one command here, that is columns. So begin columns, begin columns. So I want to convert it into columns. So begin columns, end columns. It should be at the end. That means just before the frame. You can see where you have started your begin column and where you have to end the begin column. So just beneath the where you have started, just beneath the frame, you have started the begin column. So just above the end frame only you need to end your end columns. That's all. Now how to convert this? Before this part, let's make into columns. So let's see, we need to begin column here. The command is begin columns, and at the end here we need to write end columns. So end column should be written before the frame. That means after this also we can do something else. I mean we can ignore the columns and we can go ahead. So please end the column here only. M, M, and S, end columns. That's all. So that's all. So let me do it. Yeah, it hasn't come. So let me see what is the error. Actually we need to do one thing. We need to separate them into columns. So let me separate them, these two items, into columns. So that will be done by using column command, column into 0.5 text width. That's all. Column 0.5 text width, and here also. So just after the columns text width. That's all. That means we are making them to separate into two parts. It hasn't come. Okay, let us see this. Yes, actually we need to do something here. Please see, we need to go ahead with, this is begin enumerate. So after that begin item and end item, and after that again begin itemize, end itemize, and then we need to close the enumerate command here itself. That means within the, at the end of the column only. Otherwise it won't come, it will show you error. So here enumerate, that's all. And similarly we need to start begin enumerate here also, begin enumerate, and end enumerate here. That's all. And enumerate is already there. So that's all. So let me run this, recompile. It has to come now. Yeah, it will be coming. So in this way we can do it. Now I want to do some more content for this. That means research experience I need to write, and professional memberships I need to write. So let me write the research experience first. That means nested itemize and nested enumerate. So let's go ahead with this. Actually the next thing is the professional memberships. So here also I need to start item. That's all. That means see, for this part, yes, this is the number. I have started with begin enumerate here, and I need to end enumerate up to this part. As I have made it into two columns, so I have to start for begin enumerate here, and I need to end begin and end enumerate here. for these two parts, for educational qualifications and professional experience. Similarly, I need to do begin enumerate for here and end enumerate here for these two parts, as these two are separated as columns. Similarly, I need to write for these things are itemized, so I need to write begin itemized at this part and end itemized at this part only. Similarly, I need to mention for these five in the same manner. Similarly, for these four and these four also. So in this way, we need to, this is simple nested thing, just like nested if else, what we have already seen in our first year BTech from C class. So nested if then else, nested if else. So how we need to proceed? If else, if else, if else. So like that only. It's very simple. But before going to this, I need to mention the frame name also. So where I have to do it, just begin frame. I need to write as frame title. So the frame title would be one page resume. That's all. For example, if we want, actually here, if you can see this part is called running author and running institution. So for visibility, you need to change this, and this is the running title. So for run, in place of running title, I want to give my contact details. So where is run title? Yeah, here is the title. So with square braces, I want to make it the running title. So at this part, I want to write my email ID and my phone number. So now I want to change the running title. So this is my running title and the running institution, and this is my running title. So in that place, I have given my email ID and phone number. And this is the running author and running institute. So let me change it to running author to Dr. Kishore and running institution to JU Bangalore. That's all. So please recompile. So once we recompile, we will get this type of thing. So this is the one page resume. So this page is sufficient. It will speak each and everything to the recruiter, such that our name is there, current institute is there, and our email ID, phone number, and our educational qualifications, professional experience, research experience, even professional membership also. So I like to incorporate one more thing, the links for the YouTube channel. That means maybe YouTube channel or any personal web links are there. So how to insert those links? Let me explain now. So to insert any link, we need to include one package called use package hyper reference is the package name, such that we can include any hyperlinks, web links. So let's go ahead. In this one only, I want to write after the columns. That means beneath the column it will come. So let me write here. So I like to refer in this way. The syntax is like this. So first we can copy our link. So let me go ahead here and let me copy the link first. Yeah, this is one YouTube channel. So let me copy this. Copy, and I want to mention this as YouTube channel 1. Yeah, so that YouTube channel 1 will come here. Let me see what will come, whether the first one is coming or second one is coming. Yeah, for second one is coming. So the first one is the link and second one is the name that should appear on our page. Okay. Yeah, this one. Yes, this one is my second channel. So let me copy this link and let me paste here. So this is my second channel. Yeah. So in this way we can give it. So for visibility, let me write these two things here. So let me copy this, let me cut this and enter maybe beneath this. Yeah, that's all. So in this way we can present ourselves for any interview, or for any maybe any introduction part, maybe introduction is required for your thing. In that way you can do it. So let me do for this, for the clear visibility, let me put one enter here, School of Engineering and Technology, one more enter, and Tripoli department, one more enter, and finally Jain deemed to be University Bangalore is in one line. So that's all for the present video, one page resume. So thank you for your careful listening, and please be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.